Introducing the digital portable particle pal FS9V4. In this video, we will be showing you the installation and working of the particle pal FS9V4. On the left side, we have the charging port. The FS9V4 has an 8-hour battery life with a rechargeable battery. On the right side, we have the inlet and outlet ports. We simply hand tighten the suction and delivery connection hoses to the counter using our hands. The suction line has a 180 micron strainer to capture any contaminations that may damage the pump. We connect the suction and discharge hoses into the conical flask that contains the oil sample. The display sensor is put on and we wait till the screen comes on. We press the pump on button and wait till the hose is full of the fluid sample. If there is an air pocket or air bubbles, use the priming function to remove all the air from the suction line. Once the air has been removed, go back to the main screen. Each sample is calculated after every 1.5 minutes. On the screen, you can see the NAS class value, ISO standard, and SE value with bubble correction facility. The results are shown in cumulative and differential counts. You are also given the root cause of analysis of the contamination. On the display, we have a QR code facility. Once you click on the QR code button, a QR code will be displayed. Scan the QR code through your phone and the last 5 readings will be available to you to share with the team. Once the sample has been tested, simply remove the suction line from the conical flask till all the oil reaches the suction strainer. Do not let the pump run dry. Once the oil has been flushed, you can change the sample.